I'm going to search for the actions. So you scroll down in order to find the Mailjet service. So you can see the list of actions under Mailjet service that we just added. We have add member to list, we have create member list, we have delete member, we have update member, we have create member. These are the actions that you can carry out from your workflow into your Mailjet account from workflows. So in this case, we are going to test with this. I'm going to put in contact name. So you notice we can use custom fields and custom values and fill those stuff automatically. And yeah, the action is set. We save and I can test my action. So now I'm going to select a random contact. Say I want to select Cyril Aloti. Those are test contacts. So when I select this, I check the run. You can see that everything went through normally, and I'll go back to my Mailjet. I'll go under contacts or contacts and check for Cyril Aloti. If Cyril Aloti is present, so we have Cyril Aloti here, and so you can see the timestamp 8 p.m. and 8 p.m. So you notice that everything has gone through and it's exactly what we need for Mailjet and GHL connection. So don't miss out on this. And if you have any issue why connecting this or why setting up or any questions, just let us know and we will be very available to help.